What's crackling codelets? So in this video I'm going to show you how to export your databases from C9 for MongoDB and then how to import them over into your GourmIDE container. So over here in C9, basically what you're going to do is first you need to start the Mongo daemon. So you're going to want to navigate to the directory where you have MongoD, and then you can do /MongoD and let that stay running. So it'll tell you that it's waiting for connections on port 27017. Now open up another terminal with this little plus sign right here. I already have one right here, so I'll use it. Now at this point, basically what you're going to want to do is run the mongo dump command. So I'm inside the workspace directory, which is this directory right here, node. And so when you run this command, it's going to create a directory called dump, and inside of that directory it's going to have a folder for each one of your databases. So in my case, if I go to the Mongo shell and I show my DBs, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5 or 6 databases here. A couple of them don't count. And so if I exit, clear this out, and from the bash terminal, so right here with the $, I'm going to run mongo dump, and that's it. All one word, mongo dump. Hit enter, and you'll see that it wrote the databases to this dump directory. So this dump directory just appeared over here. We can cd into dump, ls, and then here's these folders, one for each one of my databases. So the admin database is going to have like your user information, things like that, and then these are your other databases. So right click on dump and click on download. So then go to whatever directory you want to download it to. This is going to download as a zip file. So this is a tar.gz. It's just basically a gzip. So go ahead and save it. I already have it in there, so I'll replace it. Now once it's downloaded, you're going to want to click on this file, and it should open it up in your Finder. And here it gives me this folder called dump. So if that's not there and all you have is the tar file, then make sure that you double click on the tar file and unzip it. So once it's unzipped, you'll have this dump directory. Now we're ready to move over to Gourm. So over here in Gourm, you're going to go to your main directory. So you'll see I'm inside a workspace, MongoDB-test. And so this folder right here, the briefcase, MongoDB-test, that's the name of this container. And so inside of here, I have a data directory. This is where all the databases get stored. And then I have a MongoD file. This is the file that we run to get our Mongo daemon running. So from within here, if I ls, you'll see there's that MongoD file, and I can run it with /MongoD, and now it's waiting for connections on port 27017. This step is crucial. Make sure that you run the Mongo daemon file and leave it running. Now to open up a new terminal, go up to Window, click on New Terminal, and it'll open up a new terminal at the top area. Now from within here, this is where you're going to run the Mongo restore command, but first we need to get the files for it to restore. And in order to do that, you'll go up to File in the top left corner and then click on Upload Folder. So when you click on Upload Folder, then you click on Choose File right here, go to your downloads, find that dump directory, and then click on Upload. It'll ask you to confirm, go ahead and upload it, click OK, and you'll see here's this data directory with, oh sorry, not the data directory, here's this dump directory with all of these databases inside of it. Good. So now at this point what I want to do is, if you want, you can open up the Mongo shell and you can show your DBs. And so I have admin, config, and local. That's it. And so I'm going to exit, and inside of dump I've got admin, but I don't need admin because I already have an admin set up for Gourm. So what I'm going to do is right click on admin and click on delete. It should be fine either way, but I just want to go ahead and get rid of it so that I don't even know if it got rid of it. What did it say when I said click delete? Please select your file at the Project Explorer on the left. Anyway, I don't know what it's doing. I'd have to do it from, let's see here, cd dump, ls, rm-rf, admin, and so that'll actually delete it. Boom, it's gone. So we got it to delete from the terminal using the rm-rf admin command. And again, the reason I deleted the admin directory is because we already have an admin database inside of Gourm. So now what I'm going to do is cd ... back out to MongoDB test. Again, that's this folder right here, the main container. Now from here, what you're going to do is run mongo restore, all one command, and then I think the next you do a space, and then you type the name of the folder where the files are located. So Mongo restore space dump, hit enter, and it tells you a bunch of stuff, yada yada. Let's go check and see if it worked. So we type Mongo to open up the Mongo shell, show DBs, and there it is, multi-collection, single collection, test DB, test stuff. So these are just a bunch of fake databases that I created. And if you use something like test DB and then show collections, you'll see it's got a collection called test. You can do a db.test.find. It'll show the documents inside this test collection, and that just shows you that we were able to successfully import all of the databases from our Cloud9 over into Gorm. So that's it for exporting all of your databases at the same time with Mongo dump from C9 and then bringing them into your Gorm container using the Mongo restore command. Thanks a lot, and we'll catch you in the next video.